Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Odoo accounting software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your Odoo accounting software? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Odoo accounting software to your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that by sending out the invoice with your Stripe attached, your customers can pay with their credit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Odoo accounting software dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Odoo accounting software, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your Stripe account, here on the top, you're going to click on the configuration button. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on payment providers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to look for the Stripe logo and then click on install. Okay, so once you've installed it, next to the Stripe logo, it's going to say disabled. So you're not done until you click on activate right next to the Stripe logo. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these options, but you want to click here, connect Stripe. Okay, so once you do that, Stripe's going to open up a browser and you need to enter in your email address that's associated with your Stripe account, not with your Odoo account. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and click on submit. Okay, next Stripe is asking me to log in with my password to my Stripe account. So I'm going to enter that in and then click on submit. Okay, next Stripe's asking me to go ahead and verify the information that I used with my other accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next Stripe asks me to go ahead and enter in my social security number and my physical address and click on this continue button here at the bottom. Okay, now Stripe is asking me to go ahead and describe my business and then click on continue. Okay, next they're asking me to go ahead and provide my customer support information, which is my phone number and the mailing address. And I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next they want me to go ahead and verify all the information I just put in. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on agree and submit. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my Stripe account is enabled. It should be green and published. So now when I send my invoices out through Odoo invoicing, I can go ahead and opt in for my customers to pay with their credit card using my Stripe account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe account to your Odoo invoicing software, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.